It's video H5 to help you with adding mixed numbers when I need to change both denominators. So we got 4.5 plus 2 2/3. I noticed right away I do not have same denominators, but I'm using my improper fraction presto changeo, so I need to change them both to improper fractions first. This has a 2 for a denominator, it's going to have a 2 again. This has a 3 for a denominator, it's going to have a 3. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 gets me to 9, so I got 9 halves. 4.5 is really 9.5. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So I have 9 halves plus 8 thirds. This time there's not something I can take the smaller denominator times to get 3. I can't take 2 times anything to get 3. So I'm going to find the LCM. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 3, 6, 9. Oh, it's going to be a 6. So I need to change both of my denominators to get something in 6. So something times 2 would be 3. 3 times 9 is 27, 6. There's one of my new numbers. Something times 3, that would be 2. 2 times 8 is 16. So I have 27, 6 plus 16, 6. 27 plus 16. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1, 3, 4. 43, 6. Now change it back to a mixed number. It goes 7 times. 42. 7 remainder 1 equals 7 and 1/6. It's the exact same procedure that we've been doing, except that we're going to find an LCM that's not going to be one of our denominators already. So I'll give you a couple to try out. Stop the video when you're ready. Check your answer out. He's going to eighths. He's going to thirds. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 3, 35 eighths. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. This time we got eighths and thirds. 8, 16. Looking for a number that is also a 3. There we go. As we go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Boom. So I'm going to change them both to 24s. So I need to take the 3 times 8, which means I'm going to take the 3 times 35. Whoa. We're getting really big really fast. 5 times 3 is 15. 105 24ths. I'm going to take the 8 times 3 to get 24 over here, which means I'm taking 8 times 16. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry my 4. 8, 12. 128 24ths. These may be the biggest numbers we've had for a while. 108, or wait, my fault, 105 plus 128, and I'm at 233. 233 24ths. Wow. Let's change it back. How many 24s in 233? Okay. Here's the thing that I see. Instead of me having to add up 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 a bunch of times, I know that in my head, 24 times 10 is equal to 240. And this 233 is really close to 240. So I'm going to guess a 9 right off the bat, because 10 would be just a little bit too much. So I need to take 24 times 9. 36, carry my 3, 18, 21. 216. And that worked out because that was less than that. See if I subtract, if I'm going to have the right amount here. Yeah, 17 left, which is less than 24, so I'm good. That's my remainder. So this equals 9 and 17 24ths. That was a lot of work for one problem. Get rid of my fraction part just to check to see if it makes sense. 4 plus 5 is 9. Boom, 9 and 17 24ths, right on it. Let you try one more out. Hopefully it won't be quite that big. Fifths over here, halves over here. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Fifths and halves. Well, I know when I count by 2, it's going to be even numbers. So as soon as I count by 5 and I get an even number, that's my winner chicken dinner. So I'm changing them both to tenths. 2 times 5, so 2 times 9 is 18. 1 and 4/5 is really 18 tenths. 5 times 2, so 5 times 3 is 15 tenths. I like to just put a square something around mine because in all this work we're doing, sometimes you get lost on what is your new fraction. 18 tenths plus 15 tenths equals 33 tenths. Division on this one's going to be a lot easier than that last one. How many tens in 33? Just 3 of them with the remainder of 3, so it equals 3 and 3 tenths. It's a lot of work for the problems. We're basically doing those same little steps that we know how to do. Change them to improper fractions. Find a common denominator. Hopefully the LCM, because that's going to keep my numbers smaller. That's why you don't see me doing cross multiply butterfly, even though that would probably work most of the time. Add the numbers together, change them back to a mixed number at the end.